Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jean from Masgari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a monthly gabay for the month of December 2023 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating masasaga for today's video? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na guumapa ang biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So guys, kumapit ka dahil ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, give me information for the sign of Leo. So, there's a Knight of Wands. So, there's a slow and steady, no? May mga bagay na kailangan ng wag maging padalos-dalos, no? And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, ibig sabihin dito, slowly but surely. So, ibig sabihin talaga na mabagal man pero siguradong makakausad at makakabangon ka na. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. So there's a success driven. Talagang parating yung success para sa'yo, ha? Ganda ng eksena na to, ha? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a Knight of Pentacles. So see, there's a tatlong Knight. So ibig sabihin talaga, there's a slow and steady. So sigurado, no? Yung pagyabong mo. And of course, there's a success driven by the Knight of Swords. So talagang sigurado na magsasuccess ka. And of course, there's a Knight of Pentacles. There's a security about sa finances. So kailangan maging secure ka. Diba? So let's see what is additional messages. So there's the High Priestess. So there's an unexpected moment or there's an hidden agenda or hidden tendencies. May mga bagay na there's an unseen, no? May mga bagay na hindi ka pa nakikita or may mga bagay na hindi ka pa nalalaman. So ano kaya yan? Additional messages. And of course, there's King of Pentacles. No, there's a practicality. So kailangan maging practical ka about sa finances, no? Kailangan maging mautak ka at kailangan kumbaga secure ka ba about dito sa mga pinaghirapan mo, ganon. Let's see what is the Knight of Wands. So, there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. Na may tao nga sumusuporta sa'yo, talagang sumusubaybay at talagang, diba? Talagang minamahal ka, no? So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles. And because there's a Five of Swords. So, there's a fair fight. No? May patas na laban. Pero, ang tendencies kasi dito, guys, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. That's because yung mga bagay na, kumbaga dapat ay nililihim mo, ay binubulgar mo. So, kailangan maging resilience ka, no? Maging tahimik ka. Kasi, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage dito. That because of, maganda na yung pagpasok ng kapalaran sa'yo or maganda na pagpasok ng pera sa'yo. Pero, may mga taong naiinggit behind your back na, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng curses na nasasabihan ka na naway hindi matuloy o sana hindi matuloy ganyan, sana ganito, ganyan, sana ganyan. Kumbaga nagkakaroon ng ganun yung mga tao, no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng delays ang mga plano mo. Because there's a King of Swords, there's a mental clarity. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dito. At then of course, there's sinasabi sa dito, kailangan maging wais ka, no? Maging matalino ka dito. Then of course, parating na sa yung success, yes, of course. Pero pagdating sa mga decision, kailangan maging wais, no? Let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles. Kasi gagamitin dito yung kahinaan, pagiging mabuting tao mo, no? Yung ginagamit para, 'di ba, isabotahe ka because there's a strength card. So, alisin mo yung fear mo, yung takot at pangamba mo. Have confidence so what you're doing, no? Kumbaga, kailangan na magkaroon ka ng confidence o kumpiyansa sa sarili na kayang-kaya mong solusyon at kayang-kaya mong malagpasan yung mga bagay or mga pagsubok na yan. And of course, there's an Empress card, a reverse. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng bagong negosyo o trabaho, no? At the same time, there's information of fertility. So, there's an unexpected pregnancy or something na there's an unexpected na may bagong negosyo or bagong trabaho. So, let's see what is the King of Pentacles. And because there's a page of sword, no? Get more information, being curious sa lahat ng bagay, no? Maging secure ka, yes, of course. Dagdagan mo yung kaalaman mo kung paano mo papalakihin ang negosyo mo or yung trabaho mo. Parang, gumamit ka ng mga strategies, no? Yung may mga signature signs or something na gano'n. Alam mo, magagamit mo yun, no? Pansarili mo. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands and the King of Cups. Let's see what is additional messages for the Knight of Wands and the King of Cups. Because there's an Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough, no? At the end of the time, kumbaga, mabagal man pero alam niya magtatagumpay ka sa huli, no? Alam mo, makukuha mo yung success na to at makukuha mo yung karangalan na gusto mo. And because there's a Three of Swords, no? Kumbaga, marami naiingit behind your back. I told you so kanina, di ba? Kaya kailangan kumbaga, maging tahimik ka. Kasi, kumbaga, nangyayari kasi nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage kasi nga, may mga bagay na dapat ay sarili mo lang or lihim mo lang. Ang ending, kasi kumbaga napapangunahan mo na ng kwento or ng something na kwento kahit kanino, no? Either with your friends, sa kapitbahay mo. Mag-ingat ka kasi maraming inggitera, no ba? Hindi mo alam itong tao na to marunong pala to sa pagbuyag, yung buyag na kapag nakwentuhan mo, no, na parang nadidelay or something hindi natutupad, ganon. Malakas ang usog. No, let's see what is ayun yung sinasabi na evil eye. So, kailangan mo ng evil eye pang kontra doon para at least mag-bounce back sa kanya yung mga sinasabi niya gamit yung isip niya. And because there's a Knight of Swords and a King of Swords. So, there's Emperor. Be mature and in being grounded, no? Maging mature ka pagdating sa lahat ng bagay. And because maging matalino ka doon. Or you are also standard persons, no? You are being a boss someday. So, let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles and the Strength card. So, there's a judgment. A wake-up call for you. So, parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan dito na kailangan mo maging matalino. At parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan dito na kailangan mo maging matapang. No? Kayang-kaya mo silang sikuhin sa gano'ng eksena. No ba? Na, kumbaga, you are also secure, no? And provider, no? Kailangan maging matalino ka at maging matapang kang humarap sa mga bagay-bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Kasi doon kanila atakin sa eksena na yun yung bagay na kinakatakutan mo mangyari. So, let's see what is additional para hingiin mo sa ating poong may kapal na yung mga bagay na kahinaan mo, no, doon ka palakasin niya. And because there's a Nine of Cups with a High Priestess and Empress card, so there's a wish fulfillment. May mga bagay na wishes granted, no, na with unexpected moment, matutupad yan ang hindi mo inaasahan. And because magsisimula to ng panibagong eksena. Ganon. So let's see what is the King of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. There's a Four of Cups, re-evaluate or analyze. Lahat ng malalaman mo, hindi ka dapat mag-open agad sa ibang tao. Kailangan i-analyze, ma-visualize, ma-observe, no? Kailangan mo pa pag-isipan bago ka mag-take ng actions. At the same time, there's a Nine of Swords na nagdadala sa ng stress and overthinking. 'Di ba? Mamaya, chismis lang tapos nag-overthink ka, 'di ba? Nag-iisip ka dyan, you're being paranoid dahil sa nalaman mong information, 'di ba? Mamaya, chika-chika o chismis lang yan tapos, 'di ba? Para sirain ka, para mawala ka sa focus. 'Di ba? Ganun yon. So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Chariot card, taking actions, no? This is the two joining forces na kumbaga, parating ka na sa tagumpay. At talagang there's a success and achievement coming in for you with the Hangman, no? Baguhin ang perspective, baguhin ang mindset. Kasi ayun yung nagbibigay ng blockages. Ayun yung nagbibigay ng cancellation or something delays. And because there's a Queen of Wands, so there's a stability and control, no? That you are also indestructible, diba? Kumbaga, pinipilit ka nila sirain at guluhin, no? Parang inaano ka na para magulo, para mawala ka sa focus, no? So, sinasabi dito with the Five of Wands, maraming competitor, maraming kalaban, no? Kahit na mukhang kalaban, char. So, maraming kalaban dyan. So, mag-ingat ka. And because there's a Fool card, no? Kumbaga, kukunin dito yung tiwala mo. So, kailangan, 'di ba, gamayan mo, observe mo na, 'di ba, kumbaga, maniniwala ka sa mga sinasabi nila, pero hindi ka magtitiwala. Parang ganon. So, let's see additional pa para mas maunawaan natin, no? And of course, there's a Three of Cups, no? There's a third party or something Three of Cups for celebration. And of course, there's a Five of Cups, no? There's a regret or disappointments. May mga bagay na kailangan mo moving on. And of course, kumbaga, there's an Hermit card by the soul searching, no? Kumbaga, may maglilinaw sa'yo about sa spirituality, no? May mga usog-usog talaga ako na sense dito. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Or sinasadya minsan yung usog. So, let's see what is additional messages for love oracle card. For the love oracle card, get the information. There's a coffin, there's an ending, brings new beginning, no transition, and there's a change. And there's a moving on. I told you, there's a closure issues, no? May yun yung kailangan mong tapusin. Yun yung kailangan mong mag-end, yung eksena na yon, no? So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There's a release. Sa inyo kailangan mong alisin, no? And there's an empathy, a breakthrough. See, magtatagumpay ka dito, diba? Magtatagumpay ka. And at the same time, there's a lack doubt. Ito yung alisin mo, yung pag-aalinlangan, no? Kasi baka diyan ka nadedehado sa pag-aalinlangan sa isang bagay. Dapat magtiwala ka, mag-observe ka, mag-analyze ka, diba? So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages for you. Okay, magical fairy messages, get more information. Ano ko sinasabi dito? There's connect with the nature. You rejuvenate and inspired by spending time outdoors. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-unwind, no? Para nang sa ganun lumawak ang kaisipan mo at kumbaga lumiwanag ang kaisipan mo. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Let's see what is the romance angels. Let's see what is the romance angel. Get more information, angel spirit guides. And separation. So, some of you, kailangan nyo na separation with your toxic friends, with your toxic relationship, or toxic families, or toxic environment. So, kailangan yung separation. A time apart for your partner is on the horizon. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung pakikipag-ugnayan, no? Yun yung kailangan mo mag-separate. Na alam mong toxic na or negativities, no? So, let's see what is the Monsology. And of course, there is the answer you need is coming. So, ang kasagutan, lahat ng kasagutan sa mga katanungan mo ay may nandito na, no? May lalahad na. Parating na, gano'n. Nothing will come in these situations, no? Walang mangyayari sa sitwasyon kung hindi ka magte-take ng action. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. And of course, sinasabi dito, eternal love. Meron ditong everlasting promises, ha. Meron talaga dito pang matagalang relasyon at pagmamakalang, 'di ba? Hanggang dulo at hindi magwawakas, 'di ba? Let's see what is additional messages. A new beginning and fresh start is coming. No, magsisimula ng panibagong chapter. And of course, let's see. It's time to leave the unhealthy situation. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng separation sa lahat ng bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa'yo, lalo-lalo yung mga toxic. No? There's an unhealthy situation. Let's see for what is the energy. What is the energy? And the word, no? There's an information na makakaalis ka, no? May trouble dito. And there's a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, for your health issues, no? Kailangan mong pakaramdaman ng iyong health. And because there's rest and rejuvenate, so kailangan mo ng pahinga. Yun nga yun, baka nag-overfatigue ka. And of course, kaya ka na-stress, kasi may mga bagay na iniisip ka. Ganon. Let's see what is the chakra messages for you. Let's see what is the chakra. And there's a destiny. Wow. There's a destiny to happen. And there's an expansion. Talagang may paglawak, no? Pabalawakin ng iyong knowledge, finances, ganon. And because there's a forgiveness, may mga bagay na kailangan mong patawarin. Hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo. Diba? Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a third eye, clairvoyance, no? Kumbaga, meron kang third eye. Some of you, Leo. Meron kang third eye, malakas ang third sense, sixth senses mo. And of course, there's an environment. See? Some of you, there's a toxic environment. And of course, there's a silver by insight. Goddess insight na maraming pasilip, no? May mga bagay na pangitain na ipapakita sa'yo. Kaya pala, there's a third eye, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na ipapakita sa'yo, tao man yan or sitwasyon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's an abundance. Talaga magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito, no? Hindi limitado sa'yo at walang limitado pagdating sa wealth, no? Or good fortune. And because there's a failure. May mga bagay sigurong or pagkakamali or something mistake na kumbaga nangyari sa'yo, it's an opportunity to learn, no? Gawing mo oportunidad yan na kaya mo naranasan yan, hindi dahil para hindi siguro sa'yo yung mga bagay na yan. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there is a builder, no? Parang pinapalakas ka dito, pinapatibay yung pundasyon mo, parang ganon, no? And of course, there's a leadership, 'di ba? Para nang sa ganon, kumbaga pangunahan mo at kumbaga ikaw yung ikaw yung maging in charge doon sa situation, no? Para sa mga tao sa paligid mo, para magabayan mo, maturuan mo, no? And you are also supporters, no? So let's see what is additional messages. And you're not alone, no? And of course, there's isolation. Hindi ka nag-iisa dito. Kumbaga, itong isolation na to by your thinking, no? Kumbaga, nag-overthink ka kasi and being paranoid, no? Let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. What is the Jesus-loving quote said? Sinasabi dito sa'yo, He that believe on me, that the works that I do shall he do, and the greater works that this shall he do, because I go to my Father. So see, maniwala ka lang daw lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo ay dapat gawin din. Ay kumbaga ayon yan sa kalooban ng Diyos, no? Yan yung inutos sa iyo na gawin at bagay na dapat mong sundin, no? May mga bagay na para sa iyo, may mga bagay na hindi para sa iyo. Maniwala ka lang lahat ng ginagawa mo in a perfect plan, in God perfect will, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay talagang ibibigay sa iyo ni God. So let's see what is Arkanghel Raphael and sobriety. So some of you kailangan niyo ng masusustansya pagkain, ha? Fruit and vegetables. So let's see, let's proceed na tayo sa ating angel's answer, no? So kailangan niyo mag-isip ng questions regarding dito at this is the answers that you need to know, no? Nandito yung pinakakasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan na gusto niyo malaman. So mag-isip na kayo gamit ang isip niyo. Bibilang ko ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo ng question, and of course doon niyo malalaman na magiging kasagutan, 'di ba? So let's see what is additional messages for you from Answers Angels. 1, 2, 3. So, okay. Angel's answer, give me information. And there's romance. So, some of you may romance dito. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga may kinalaman sa pag-ibig, no? Or something sa pag-ibig ang solusyon or something. And because there's a yes, no? May yes daw ang kasagutan sa katanungan mo. Baka inaano mo na, siya ba yung taong para sa akin? Yes, ganon. Siya ba yung taong para, di ba? Siya ba yung mamahalin ako? Yes, ganon. And because there's a recovery, na makaka-recover ka na. From what? From the pain. From relationship, ganon. From heartbroken. Let's see what is the angel's number. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a 15, I am wise, no? So, sinasabi dito, your love for others is powerful. You are able to spread your gift of support far and wide. Your curious and social nature bring you in contact with a variety of people, all who would benefit from your warm-hearted forwards is wisdom. So, ibig sabihin, maging wise ka, no? Maging matalino ka, huwag ka matatakot kumbaga sa mga bagay-bagay, lalo-lalo sa mga desisyon mo. So sinasabi sa dito, sinusuportahan ka ng atang angel spirit at of course ginagabayan ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Sinasabi sa dito na kailangan mo maging wise at maging matalino sa lahat ng decisions, no? So let's see what is the messages of life. And there's a unity. So meron dito pagkakaisa at talagang pinagbuklod ng no, parang pinagtagpo at diba? There's a unity. And of course, sinasabi dito, today, I bring my attention into the present moment where I become one with the inner light. As I make these conscious connections, I find myself centered in my heart and begin to glow with my own divinity. Union with my inner light provides me with a wise and stable base from which I can now live in every day of my life. See? Yung pagiging wise, no? And of course, pagiging matalino sa lahat ng mga desisyon, magdadala sa inyo stable, na finances and of course ng kaganapan sa buhay mo, even your relationship, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan maging cautious ka sa lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo at kailangan meron talagang yung kumbaga, pagkakaisa sa lahat ng decisions, no? With your partner, kailangan parehas kayo ng thoughts and parehas kayo ng decisions and respect in each and every one. So guys, this is monthly gabay for the month of December 2023 for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, maraming salamat po sa wonderful reading mo. And of course, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na yung hindi nag-skip ng ads na huwag pagpalain po kayo na Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig na gumapaw man ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!